Assalamu alaikum guys, my name is Junaid Ali and today I am going to describe a very important term, that is clause. So first of all I will define and then I will describe this term. So let me define a group of words having subject and predicate is called clause. A group of words having subject and predicate, two main terms which are exist within the class. Subject and predicate is called class. So first of all we will describe what actually subject is. The doer of an action is called subject. Just I say I am making tea. In this sentence I is considered as subject. Okay, so let me describe predicate, what actually predicate is. So the part of sentence that tells something about subject is called predicate. The part of sentence that tells something about the subject is called predicate. It means that now I'm going to give the example, just as I put this example, and this is subject and remaining this part is predicate, because this part actually telling something about the subject, that's why it's called predicate. Now I'm going to give some couple of examples of clause. Okay, actually clause is the combination of subject and predicate. Clause is the combination of subject and predicate. Okay, so if I say I am writing a letter, it means that I is subject and the remaining part of sentence is predicate. Okay, so subject plus predicate is equal to class. So now I'm going to give another example. If I say he is playing cricket, it means that he is the doer and this is subject. The remaining this part of sentence is considered as predicate. So this is equal to class. So guys, this is my lecture class that is very useful for your test, and also whenever you will be speak, because you will follow some pattern and speaking of any sentence, so that this structure is needs for your conversation, and also whenever we will appear any test, that's why. So and there it will be very useful. So guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the notification button to get my lecture as I will upload. Thank you very much.